Hello students, welcome to this ICT Grade 7 learning session on logo programming. In this session, you will learn about basic logo commands and an introduction to the logo interface. In this video, you will learn about what logo is, the logo programming interface, the basic logo commands. You will also perform some quick tests followed by a recap. What is logo? Logo is a programming language that allows us to write instructions to make the computer do specific tasks. Logo is an educational programming language which is easy to understand and use. It is a good starting point for a programmer. The interesting feature in logo is the turtle. The turtle is a cursor which you can move on the playground, rotate, and you can even make it float above the playground. You will need to learn how to write specific commands to make the turtle do all these things. First, we will look at the logo interface. The logo screen consists of different parts, as you can observe on the slide. The logo interface consists of the title bar, menu bar, the turtle's playground, the turtle, commander window, input box, command box, and command buttons. The cursor, also known as the turtle, is the triangular shape which you can see on the playground. You type commands which will make it move, rotate or float, and in doing so, it creates shapes. At its original position, the turtle is a triangle pointing upwards. The playground. The playground is the area where the turtle will draw the shapes when you write the commands. The commander window. The commander window is just below the playground. It contains different subparts. The input box where you write your commands, and the command box which displays a list of the commands which you have written. The commander window also contains an area on the right where you can access the command buttons. Each command button performs a specific function. Now, let us look at what some of these command buttons do. The reset button erases all shapes from the playground and returns the turtle to its original position. On the playground, there is a shape which I have already created. Observe what happens when I click on the reset button. Yes, as you have surely guessed, the reset button is used to clear the screen. In other words, it erases all shape from the playground. At the same time, the turtle will return to its original position. The execute button is like the enter key, which is found on the keyboard, and it runs your command. Now that we know the different parts of the logo interface, we will learn the basic logo commands. The FD command is used to make the turtle move forward while creating a line. You must type the FD command, leave a space, then type a value, which indicates the distance by which the turtle will move. We will type the FD command in the input box, followed by 100. A line of 100 units is created. We will now click on the reset button to return the turtle to its original position and type the command FD200, which creates a longer line. Note that in both cases, the direction in which the turtle is facing did not change. The backward command. The BK command is used to make the turtle move backward without rotating it. The BK command is also followed by a value. I will show you how it works by using different examples. When we type the command BK70, observe how a line is created as the turtle moves backward, but it still points in the same direction. Let us reset the playground now. Now we will try the BK 150 command to create a longer line. Remember, when you use the backward command, the direction in which the turtle is facing will not change. Making the turtle rotate. You can also rotate the turtle to the right or to the left. This can be done by using the RT command for rotation to the right and LT command for rotation to the left. Both commands must be followed by the value of the angle of rotation. For example, RT90 will make the turtle rotate to the right by 90 degrees. Let us have some fun with rotations now. If I type the command RT90, observe that the turtle has turned to the right, thus pointing towards a different direction. Notice also that logo has not created any line. Let us reset now. Now for the LT command. If I type LT90, as you may have guessed, the turtle is pointing to the left after making a 90 degrees rotation. Again, no line has been created. Now, without clicking on reset, I type RT180. The turtle is now facing the opposite direction. Making the turtle float above the playground. You can also make the turtle remain on the playground or make it float above the playground. This can be done by using the PU or PD commands. The PENUP command will make the turtle float above the playground. Let us see how this command works. I will type FD100. A line is created. Then I type PU. Notice that nothing has happened yet. Now I type FD100 again. You will observe that no line has been created. This is because the turtle is floating above the playground. I type RT90 and then PD. PD is pen down. This will reposition the turtle on the playground. If I now type FD100, you can see that the turtle has landed on the playground and hence it can draw a line. So you can deduce that the PENUP command allows the turtle to float above the playground. The cursor can be moved, but it will not draw. The PU command also works in the same way with the BK, RT, and LT commands, which we have seen earlier. Note, if you use the PU command while drawing, when you reset, the turtle will return to its original position, but it will still be floating above the playground. As you have guessed, the PU and PD commands work in the same way with LT, RT, and BK. We will now do a quick test to see what you have learned today. Test number 1. Logo is A word processing software, B, an educational programming language, C, used to create sounds. Answer is B. Logo is an educational programming language. Quick test number 2. The FD and BK commands are used to make the turtle move. True or false? The answer is true. Quick test number 3. The PD command will allow the turtle to float above the playground. True or false? The answer is false. Question 4. Which of the following is not a logo command? A. LT90, B. BK50, C. PU10. The answer is C. PU10 is not a logo command. Quick test 5. It is possible to use a different sequence and create the same shape. True or false? The answer is true. I hope that you have got all the answers correct. We will now do a recap. Logo is an educational programming language which is easy to understand and use. It is a good starting point for a programmer. The logo interface consists of the title bar, menu bar, the turtle's playground, the turtle, commander window, input box, command box, and command buttons. The basic logo commands: PD or pen down. The turtle stays on the playground and draws lines. PU or PENUP. The turtle floats above the playground. FD or forward. The turtle moves forward and draws a line. BK or back. The turtle moves backward and draws a line, but the direction does not change. LT or left. The turtle turns to the left. RT or right. The turtle turns to the right. We have reached the end of this lesson. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you next time.